Turn your phone off and on, and then use the reboot option in your My Band settings menu. Welcome back to TechVibes. Swipe down on your phone and turn Bluetooth off for 10 seconds and then back on. Or because the app lost its background permissions. Let us fix this fast. Step 1 is to toggle your Bluetooth. Ensure that location and nearby devices permissions are set to always allow. Without these, the phone is effectively blind to your band. Step 3 is to unpair the band from your phone Bluetooth settings. If you see the band listed in your phone direct Bluetooth list, forget the device. You must only connect through the official app to avoid communication errors. Step 4 is to restart both devices. Turn your phone off and on and then use the reboot option in your My Band settings menu. This clears out temporary cache files that might be blocking the connection. Step 5 is to keep the band within close range. Ensure the watch and phone are within 1 foot of each other during the pairing process. Even minor physical obstacles can break the initial handshake. Step 6 is to check for frequency interference. Move away from your Wi-Fi router or other wireless gadgets. These devices often use the 2.4 GHz frequency, which can drown out the low power signal of your Mi band. Step 7 is to update the application. Go to the Play Store or App Store and ensure you are using the latest version of MyFitness. Developers frequently release patches for these exact connectivity bugs. Step 8 is to sign out and sign back in. Log out of your Xiaomi account within the app and then log back in. This refreshes your cloud profile and can trigger a forced sync. Step 9 is to try a different smartphone. If the band connects to another device, you will know the issue is with your primary phone settings and not a hardware failure. Step 10 is to perform a factory reset on the band. Navigate to the settings menu on your band and select Reset. This returns the band to its original pairing state so you can start the process fresh. Here is a quick bonus tip for you. If your band is still not showing up, try plugging it into its charger. Many My Band models will only enter a high-power discoverable mode when they are actively receiving electricity. If you face any difficulty with these steps, please leave a comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you get connected. If this video solved your problem, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Stay active and keep your tech running perfectly.